Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. So my friends, today I discuss about flow of heat energy and thermal equilibrium. Okay. So flow of heat energy thermal equilibrium. Our our chapter is today flow of heat energy and thermal equilibrium. Okay, so at first I discuss about the flow of heat energy. We very important to know the heat energy. Okay, so at first we know heat energy. So what is heat energy? Heat energy heat energy can be defined as the sum of total of potential and kinetic energy and kinetic energy of molecules. Kinetic energy of molecules. Atoms not, molecules is right. Okay, so heat energy can be defined as the sum of total of potential and kinetic energy of molecules. Okay, now we discuss about the flow of heat energy and thermal equilibrium. Okay, so the two substances, one is 50 degrees centigrade, another is 20 degrees centigrade. So what I do the two things, one is 50 degrees centigrade and another is 20 degrees centigrade. We know that water flows from higher level to lower level. Okay, uh, similarly as this process, similarly the heat energy also transferred from higher energy to lower energy, and lower energy takes the heat from higher energy to equal heat gained by a body at a lower temperature. Hence temperature is a physical quantity which determines the direction of the flow of heat between two bodies. Okay, now I thought you understood the what is flow of heat energy from one. What is the flow of heat energy? Higher temperature body gives to lower temperature body, and lower temperature body takes from higher temperature body to gain her heat, and the higher temperature body give that, so it's lost her heat, lost his heat. Okay, so now we discuss about the equilibrium. Okay, thermal equilibrium. At first thermal equilibrium, at first we know the thermal equilibrium. We know that what is equilibrium of temperature. What is equilibrium of temperature. What is at first equilibrium? What is equilibrium temperature? At first, knowing the thermal equilibrium, we also known that equilibrium of temperature. So what is equilibrium of temperature? I discussed there the flow of heat continues till both the body both the body attain the same temperature, attain the same temperature. This temperature is known as equilibrium temperature. So what is equilibrium temperature? Please write it. Equilibrium temperature, the flow of continues till both the body attain the same temperature. This temperature is known as equilibrium temperature, or the temperature is known as equilibrium temperature. Okay, I thought that you understand my words and my definition by this definition. And now we discuss about what is thermal equilibrium. Okay, so what is thermal equilibrium? Thermal equilibrium is actually known to a state. Now we discuss about it. The state of two bodies. The state of two bodies at the same temperature, in which there is no net flow of heat energy between them is called state of thermal equilibrium. So please notice that the state of two bodies at the same temperature in which there is no net flow of heat energy between them is called state of thermal equilibrium. So we know that equilibrium temperature, thermal equilibrium temperature, flow of heat energy, by how the flow of heat energy occur. So these types of question is occur also, but one question now also held, that is 50 degree centigrade and 20 degree centigrade, two bodies. So what is their equilibrium temperature? Equilibrium temperature, what is their equilibrium temperature? Okay, so finding their equilibrium temperature, at first two bodies come each other 50 degree and 20 degree. So this is two bodies come to each other, then 50 degree, also the mathematical process 50 degree plus 20 degree temperature. Okay, and by 2, that is their equilibrium temperature. So 70 by 2, here 35 degree centigrade is their equilibrium temperature. So I sure that you understand my talk. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like.